Hi guys, welcome to my channel. It's your boy is transform again. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can connect your input bridge to your phone with your MoBOX. So first of all, how are we going to do it? Now let me clear my MoBOX. Let me clear it so that you can see how to install it. So I've cleared my data, my input bridge data. So how can you connect these things to your termux? First of all, what you are going to do, open your MoBOX. Your MoBOX, as usual, you know how to open it. I've taken some lessons about this in my videos, so you can check how to set up your MoBOX. So now if you start your MoBOX, you will see that there will be no input bridge. But how are you going to set it up? How are you going to set it up? Now let me open a game. For example, I open GTA 5 game. So, and we want to set it up with input bridge. How are we going to do it? So in this video, that is why I'm here for you this afternoon, to take you on a lesson on how to do it. So as you can see, no input bridge is coming up. No input bridge. There is no input bridge here. So how are we now going to set it up? Sorry guys, I wanted to start before I do anything. As you can see, the game has started running, but there is no input bridge. So how are we going to go about it? Now let's quit these games and go back. So as you can see, it has started. So first of all, what you are going to do is to locate where you download your MoBOX, your input bridge. So first of all, you have to locate the file, the folder. So from here, as you can see, you have your icon pack, your installer, your profile. So from the installer, you just enter. So first of all, you click the install.bat. You click it and allow that thing to run. So after that time, after you click the ib.exe, so now you leave it like this. Now you go back to your input bridge. Guys, you go back to your input bridge. Now from here, you are going to import a profile. So I'm going to share this in the comment section. I'm going to share this file. So you just import a folder. For example, you want to import GTA 5 input bridge. So let me go to my download. And import it. So I have it. It used to be IBP. It's usually be IBP. So this is it guys. So I'm going to enter. So when I enter, I'm going to allow. So when I allow, this is it. Yes, it's done. So you go back to this icon. So when you go back to this, you say show when connected, show controls when connected. Then you minimize it. And go back to your termux xx. So here is it now. So guys, you will see an icon here at the top right corner. You see an icon. That shows that we have successfully imported it. Now guys, you can see. So this is it. It has come. So when you want to start a game now, you can now start. So let's start our GTA 5 games now and see if it's truly working. So now this is it. Let me open my task manager. So this is it. So let me open my GTA 5 again. Sorry guys, let me open my GTA 5. So let me open it and see if it's truly there. So you can now configure your input bridge. So I'm going to share these two files in the comment section. I'm going to share it in the comment section so you can you can install it. And I'm going to leave my Telegram page so that you can ask me any question over there. So So this is it. It has started. You can see that we are not seeing that thing. I'm not seeing it. So what you do is you go back like this, you exit it, and you go back to it. You exit, you go back, and from here you stop, you exit, and you go back. So guys, so you go back to your termux. It was allowed to load. Yes, that's loaded. So you can see that you are not seeing any input bridge here. So what you do, if you are not seeing it, you close your input bridge. You close your input bridge, then you open it again. You see, so you can edit your control area. These are the control. You can also put some paparazzi. So guys, as you can see, everything is now working fine. You can see, so you can now control it. You can see. So everything is working
what's going
fine.
down, huh? The market, my boy. Liquidity's a bitch. Get over here so I can give you the new repo list. All right, dog. I'll be around when I get a chance.
Get your wax
So everything
on.
is working
We're in the
fine.
beach this weekend.
So
I hate to say it, but I
So you can as well go for your settings. Again. So if you want the opacity, you want it to be more clear. So you can do it.
It's turned into a real bad version of us.
You can do it. So that's it, guys. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe to my channel and also join my Telegram account for more information. Thank you.